Chinese aerospace company Jiutian has introduced a groundbreaking concept in unmanned aerial warfare, the sulfur monosulfide UAV, or Strategic Swarm Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. This next-generation platform is essentially a flying drone carrier, a 15-ton unmanned aircraft with a 25-meter wingspan, capable of deploying and coordinating drone swarms at altitudes of up to 15,000 meters, or nearly 50,000 feet. The sulfur monosulfide UAV is designed to operate as a high-altitude command center, strike platform, and drone deployment system all in one. It can carry up to 1,000 kilograms of payload, allowing it to launch up to 100 kamikaze drones or loitering munitions directly in flight, depending on the tactical situation. With a range of approximately 7,000 kilometers, it is capable of operating across intercontinental distances or conducting extended missions over contested regions. What sets this platform apart is its integration of real-time swarm control using onboard artificial intelligence and secure communication systems. The sulfur monosulfide UAV doesn't just release drones. It actively manages them in the air, distributing roles among reconnaissance units, decoys, and strike drones based on evolving battlefield conditions. This allows for decentralized, adaptive operations without putting human pilots at risk. Its stealth-oriented aerodynamic design makes detection more difficult, while its autonomous, self-healing communication network is built to withstand electronic warfare environments. The aircraft's AI analyzes data from satellites and sensors to prioritize targets and coordinate swarm actions without human intervention. Conceptually, the sulfur monosulfide UAV fills a unique role between platforms like the MQ-9 Reaper and RQ-4 Global Hawk. Unlike the Reaper, which operates under direct ground control, Jiutian's drone acts as an independent decision-making node. And while the Global Hawk focuses solely on surveillance, the sulfur monosulfide UAV both observes and acts, serving as a fully operational strike and control unit. This makes it especially valuable for so-called gray zone operations in areas where deploying conventional forces is risky or politically sensitive. Jiutian's innovation reflects China's push toward technological dominance in sixth-generation unmanned systems. This isn't just a drone, it's an aerial network capable of projecting autonomous force across massive distances.